Alusi Pablo is my niche. I'm my brand. And everything that I do, you know what I'm saying? Nah, my niche. Now maybe that niche. Like I can't just sing only high life music because I'm Igbo. You know what I'm saying? I can't just sing only sad music because I went through a sad thing or something. I can't sing only hip hop because I get other inspiration. You know what I'm saying? But if you fuck with the Alusi Pablo niche, everything will make some sense to you. I mean, maybe you have favorites, but everything will probably make sense to you because anything what they do, they true to me, to who Alusi Pablo be. You know what I'm saying? So niche is important. Niche makes sense, but I'm not sure say you're supposed to box yourself into a niche. Maybe brand they sometimes ahead of niche or something. Yeah. But in my own situation, in my own case, Alusi Pablo, now be the niche. And also I can't be stuck on only music. I have a book which I'm not ready to tell you all about, but it's published in 2021. And I go see here about it. You know what I'm saying? Now the brand be mine, now me be the niche that she na vertical integration. Yeah, integrate everything. Stream processing my pain.
Yeah, I made the cash, got the house, but I depressed. What is all that? Oneness, but the weak flex.